How's it going? I'm Travis from Crestron Electronics. We're here at AVI Live today, and we're going to talk about the Crestron AirBoard. To start with AirBoard, we kind of have to back up and talk about Air Media slightly because it is a catalyst behind it. With our wireless presentation product, you get AirBoard as an add-in that comes with AVI framework that is a zero programming solution. You see it here on the touch panel. But essentially what an AirBoard does is it digitizes our handwriting on a whiteboard. So what does that allow you to do? In a large lecture hall, we can then show whatever someone writes on a whiteboard, project it onto the large projector screen. Also works great for in a UCC solution where handwriting gets lost. We can now share this content to the far side. So, rave. We give it a second. There is a delay. It is a planned delay because this camera recognizes change in the writing surface. It doesn't recognize my hand when I put it up here. It only recognizes that something has written and some things have changed. So if you missed us here at AVI Live, check it out on Crestron.com's website. Thank you.